AI-driven inspections can detect minute cracks and other signs of wear that might be missed by human inspectors. This ensures that aircraft are maintained to the highest standards, enhancing passenger safety and optimizing the maintenance schedule. The use of AI in this field is revolutionizing how airlines manage their fleets. In the automotive sector, AI-powered systems are optimizing the design and lifespan of vehicle parts, leading to lighter, more fuel-efficient cars. By simulating various stress conditions, AI can predict how different materials and designs will perform over time. This not only improves the durability of car parts, but also contributes to the development of innovative designs that enhance vehicle performance and safety. The integration of AI in automotive manufacturing is paving the way for smarter, more efficient vehicles. And in construction, AI is helping to ensure the long-term integrity of bridges, tunnels, and other critical infrastructure. By continuously monitoring structural health, AI systems can detect early signs of deterioration and recommend timely interventions. This proactive approach not only extends the lifespan of infrastructure, but also ensures public safety. The use of AI in construction is transforming how we build and maintain our cities, making them safer and more resilient for future generations. Section 5. The future of durability, a world without waste. Imagine a world where waste is a thing of the past, where every material is used to its fullest potential and nothing is discarded without purpose. The ability to accurately predict metal lifespan has far-reaching implications. Engineers and scientists are now able to analyze metal samples with unprecedented precision, using advanced AI software to predict how long these materials will last under various conditions. By identifying potential failures before they occur, AI can help us prevent accidents, reduce waste, and optimize resource allocation. This means that machinery can be maintained more effectively, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency in manufacturing processes. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the field of materials science. Researchers are developing new materials that are not only more durable, but also more environmentally friendly, pushing the boundaries of what is possible, paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient future. These advancements are crucial for building infrastructure that can withstand the test of time, ensuring that our cities and industries are not only efficient, but also sustainable for generations to come.